It says plug and play, but you will need a driver. On day 1, the KYY X90D adds two 1080p screens for $237, but the setup is not as seamless as the listing claims. The dual 15.6-inch IPS panels deliver crisp 1080p with accurate colors and 178-degree viewing angles, making stock charts and design work look sharp. In testing, text stayed readable from wide angles, which helps in collaborative sessions. The single USB-C cable truly powers both screens and passes video, cutting desk clutter dramatically. I connected it to a MacBook Pro and a Dell XPS, and both recognize the displays without a hub. The 360-degree rotation and 90-degree kickstand are genuinely flexible. You can flip a screen to portrait for code or documents, and the built-in stand holds firm even at awkward angles. The aluminum alloy body feels premium and stays cool during long sessions, unlike cheaper plastic extenders that flex. It's also thin enough to slide into a laptop bag without adding bulk. Compatibility spans Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Android, and Linux, which is rare at this price. I tested it with a Galaxy phone via USB-C and got a working desktop mode instantly. Here's what you get. Wide compatibility. KYY Triple Screen Extender offers plug-and-play connectivity via a fully functional USB-C/Type A port and is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Android, and Linux systems. Please note that drivers must be downloaded first. Upgraded one cable connection. This laptop screen extender uses a more convenient and powerful connection. You only need one USB-C to USB-C cable to connect the screen extender to your laptop, eliminating the need for complicated connection processes and redundant cables. The single cable connection design makes it more convenient to carry and allows you to quickly set up a triple screen display system. And 15.6-inch high-quality screen X90D portable monitor is equipped with two 15.6-inch FHD 1080p IPS screens, delivering exceptional color reproduction and a bright, high-quality visual experience. The screen also has a 178 degrees viewing angle, ensuring a better viewing experience and portability for meetings, even for multi-person meetings. The listing says plug and play, but Windows required a driver download before the screens would extend. That's a hidden step that will trip up non-technical buyers, and it's not mentioned in the main bullet points. Gaming consoles are explicitly not supported, so if you hope to use this with a PS5 or Xbox, you're out of luck. The product page only mentions it in fine print, which feels like a deliberate omission. The menu control wheel is finicky. It's easy to accidentally change brightness or input while adjusting the stand. I found myself resetting settings more than I'd like during normal use. At $237, it's pricier than buying two separate 15.6-inch portable monitors, which can be had for around $100 each. You're paying a premium for the integrated design, but the driver hassle and console incompatibility blunt the value. For traders or multitaskers who need portable triple screen setup, the KYY X90D is a solid buy, just budget time for the driver. If you're on a budget or want console flexibility, look elsewhere. Check the current price and driver guides in the description below.